Hey there everyone, my name is Shubham Giri and I'm applying for digital marketing and SEO position at Lemon, and today I'll be talking about myself, how I started my career and what all achievements I have so far in my life. So I'm an aspiring engineer from Bengaluru, India. It's a pretty renowned college for engineering and technology. It is named as Reva University, and now I've developed my interest in web technologies. I'm mainly focused on web development and content writing as well. I've written some of the major contents and I manage my blogspot account for that. I've also developed some major websites for my company and my college as well. I've completed like 3 internships where I worked as a web developer, content writer, and many other positions such as SEO, and helped them in growing to an immense scale. So I've also completed some of the virtual internships from pretty renowned company such as Microsoft, Accenture, and JP Morgan. You can check it out on LinkedIn. I've given the link of my LinkedIn account.